Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the parental control on Google account with no PIN. That being said, the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to the Play Store. I'm going to show you right now how to do this. Now, this should be the landing page of your Play Store, right? Give me a second right here. Applications, there you go. So this should be the landing page of your Play Store. Now, how to remove this one? Simply go to your account earlier, as I was where I was earlier. Click on the name on the top right section. Just hover your finger right there above categories, that little Google account. And then from here, click on settings right here. And then the next thing is going to be family. Please click on family section. And as you can see, there is parental control section right here. Now once you click on this one, you'll see the parental controls are on, set content restrictions, and app and games. Now if I toggle this off, it will ask for a PIN, right? For example, your parent installed this one for you to restrict your game time or your phone time. That being said, to remove this one, I just want you to go on your home button again and then look for settings. Now settings should be this one, the gear icon right there, and then just look for applications. Okay? The thing we're gonna do right now is we're gonna clear cache history for the specific Google account. Now let's just look for Play Store right here. Good thing is they're alphabetically arranged, so you won't have time looking for it. So Play Store should be right around this corner. Give me a second right there. Now if you can find Play Store, you can just type in here. There you go, Google Play Music, Google Play, Google Play Store. Perfect. Once I'm inside Play Store, I just wanna go here on the permissions and storage. Okay, once I'm in storage, click on storage right there, making sure storage allows this gap, make sure it's allowed, and then go back right there. Give me a second. The thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna clear the cache, right? Click on memory right here, making sure everything is good, and then clicking on storage. Okay, I think I misclicked twice. Give me a second. I'm gonna go back to Play Store right there, and then simply click on storage. Once I'm inside storage, I'm just gonna click cache right there, total, and make sure I click this clear cache over here and clear data. Now, before I clear data, make sure that everything you have is saved, right? Because they will be permanently deleted, the data, the logins on your specific applications. Now, I'm not gonna clear it on my end right here. It might remove everything I have because I haven't backed it up yet. So before proceeding, make sure you back it up, and then once you clear this one, just go back on the Play Store earlier, and then you are good to go. I remove that PIN, and then I'm sure that you won't require a PIN anymore. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.